Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to remove background image of PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file, check the background image and go to Tools menu, Edit PDF. You can remove one by one. But I will remove all images at a time. Go to More menu and Background, remove background. Now check the document, there have no background image. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.